Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today, the 3rd anniversary of Barb Makes Things. Well, not today.
Barb Makes Things!
That's right, it's been 3 years. Actually, mid-November was 3 years, but I've been really busy and I totally missed it. What's interesting to me is looking back at my old videos, like way back to 2015 and seeing how they've changed, because they've changed a lot. It used to look like this, just like this, from this distant angle, which was a function of the way that this whole idea got started. Would you believe that I thought doing videos would make documenting projects easier? Different, certainly. Easier? I don't know. Before long, I came to my senses and added new camera angles. I started doing bigger and bigger projects, things that wouldn't fit at my desk. The wooden camera arm was already pushing it. So I started doing more projects away from home, at Crash Space or Rediscover or both. Back then my editing was different. Fewer cuts. There were no voiceovers, just high-speed audio, which was a whole lot of work to clean up and not always pleasant. Until I covered and then mostly replaced the audio with music. I got my kitties, and they started making appearances. Mostly Solo, who's a photo hog, and who likes to walk on my keyboard while I'm editing. You might also notice that there was very little of me on camera at the beginning, aside from my hands. And the back of my head, I guess. It was a while before I started doing on-screen chatter. I shouldn't leave it there. Eventually I was doing whole videos where I just talk about stuff. I might revisit a few old projects. For instance, my layered veneer necklace is something I still love. And there's enough that I've learned from that process that I think it's worth actually talking to you about it and going about the build in a different way. From last year's anniversary video, I want to do something bigger and more spread out. I'd like to make more big, weird musical instruments. I'd like to show you that the path of these projects is not remotely smooth or linear. Hey, I actually did some of that stuff. Okay then, intentions for this next year. I want to finish the Dodecahedrum, the wildest project I've ever done. And I want to learn to weld. I so badly want to weld. It's been on my list for eons. So, 3 years. Let's see what I get up to for the 4th. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.